Let's look at an example in the editor. In this program, we're going to look through some text to see how many times the word like was used. Then we'll remove all of them from the string and print it to the console. We're starting with a bunch of text saved inside a variable called journal entry. Let's print to the console how many times the word like was used. To do this, I'll use the count method. I'll write print journal entry dot count like. Let's see how many times. Wow, 4 times in this short text. That's too many. Let's remove them so we can sound more professional. To do this, I'll use the replace method. I'll write journal entry equals journal entry dot replace. And I want to replace like, but I don't actually want the word replaced with another one. I just want it removed. To do this, I'll just use an empty string as the new value to use when replacing the word like. Now let's count how many likes are in the text. I can just copy and paste this line here. Awesome, all the likes are gone. Let's print the text now to double check. Perfect. Now it's your turn to try out these new methods in some Tracy exercises.